Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Science, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 6. Our topic for today is about Pag-asa, Pag-asa storm signal, events before, during, and after storm. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. 1. Describe some effects of weather disturbances that occur in or near the Philippines. 2. Describe the weather conditions according to a public storm warning signal issued by the Philippine Atmospheric, Geological, and Astronomical Services Administration or Pag-asa. 3. Describe typical weather conditions before, during, and after a tropical cyclone. Learning objectives. 1. Familiarize with the functions and services of Pag-asa. 2. State the criteria for each public storm warning signal of Pag-asa. 3. Describe typical weather conditions before, during, and after a tropical cyclone. Day 1. Short review, weather disturbance. 1. What does the picture show? Answer. The picture shows people walking in strong wind and rain during a storm or typhoon. 2. Have you ever experienced a situation like this? What did you do? Answer. Yes, I have. I stayed indoors, used an umbrella, and waited for the storm to pass. Lesson purpose. When is class suspended? Answer the following questions. 1. What are the different storm signals? Answer. The different storm signals are signal number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2. What storm signals lead to class suspensions? Answer. Classes are usually suspended starting at signal number 2 and higher. 3. Why do classes get suspended when there is a storm? Answer. Classes get suspended to keep students safe from strong winds, heavy rain, and flooding. Vocabulary. Word search. Look for the words using the clue present below. Here are the answers. Tropical, mandate, extensive, signal, projectile, and makeshift. After successfully search the words, match each word to the correct definition. Let's answer. 1. Mandate. B. An official order to do something. 2. Extensive. Answer. C. Covering a large area. 3. Makeshift. Answer. F. Temporary and usually of poor quality. 4. Signal. Answer. A. A gesture, action, or sound that is used to convey information or instructions. 5. Projectile. Answer. D. An object moving through the air. 6. Tropical. Answer. E. A type of weather which is hot and moist, slightly wet. Subtopic number 1. Pag-asa. Pag-asa background. Show at the image below to the students and ask them to quickly illustrate a slogan for Pag-asa. Then, ask them to prepare a 45-second commercial to introduce Pag-asa to the public using the given information. Mandate. Key responsibilities. First, give updated and accurate weather and climate information. Second, help the government and people prepare for typhoons, floods, landslides, storm surge, and climate change. Third, provide scientific advice for disaster risk reduction and climate adaptation. Fourth, make sure the country follows international weather and climate agreements. Update. Mission. First, provide reliable weather and climate information, products, and services. Second, help communities become prepared and resilient against disasters and climate hazards. Vision, to be the center of excellence in weather and climate services. Day 2. Activity number 1, getting to know the storm signals. Analyze the information below from Pag-asa about the Modified Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal or TWCS of Pag-asa. Modified Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal TCWS system. Signal number 1. Wind threat and warning lead time 39 to 61 km per hour, 36 hours. Potential impacts: house of poor construction, example wood frame, bamboo, makeshift. All dilapidated structures and other structures made of light materials will suffer minimal to minor damage. Some bananas and similar plants are tilted, while twigs of small trees may sway with the wind. Rice crops, especially those in flowering and ripening stages, may suffer some damage. Minimal disruption to public transportation. Signal number 2. Wind threat and warning lead time 62 to 88 km per hour, 24 hours. Potential impacts: minor to moderate damage may occur to makeshift or old dilapidated structures and other structures made of light materials. Houses of poor and average construction. Example, unreinforced CHB or masonry. Mixed timber CHB may receive minor roof damage. Unsecure, exposed lightweight items may become projectiles which may cause additional damage. Some electrical wires may be blown down, resulting in lower power outages. Minor to moderate disruption to public transportation. Most bananas and similar plants are tilted with some stooped or downed. Some small trees blow over, with twigs and branches of frail trees broken. Considerable damage is likely to rice and other similar crops, especially those in flowering and ripening stages. Signal number 3. Wind threat or warning lead time 89 to 117 km per hour, 18 hours. Potential impacts: makeshift or old dilapidated structure and other structures made of light materials may suffer substantial damage. Houses of poor or average construction will have considerate roof damage, some blown out windows, and or partial wall damage. Well-constructed houses, example, reinforced or precast CHB, reinforced concrete moment frame, may suffer minimal to minor roof damage. Warehouses and other buildings in industrial parks may suffer minor to moderate damage. Unsecure exposed outdoor items to light to moderate weight may become projectiles, causing additional damage or injuries. Many areas may suffer power outages with numerous downed power lines and posts. Minimal to minor disruption in telecommunications and potable water supply. Moderate to significant disruption to public transportation. Some small trees, most bananas and similar plants, and a few large trees are downed or broken. Rice and other similar crops, especially those in flowering and ripening stages, may suffer heavy damage. Signal number 4. Wind threat and warning lead time 118 to 184 km per hour, 12 hours. Potential impacts severe damage will occur to makeshift or old, dilapidated light structures and other structures made of light materials. Houses of poor or average construction may receive major damage, including complete roof failure and possible wall collapse. A few may suffer severe damage. Most well-constructed houses may suffer minor to moderate roof damage, with some houses experiencing major roof failure. Blown out windows are also likely. The failure of aluminum and steel roofs and coverings may occur in buildings at industrial parks. Some glass in most high-rise office buildings may be blown out. A few of these buildings may have minor to moderate damage and a higher proportion of blown-out windows due to swaying. Considerable airborne debris will be generated and may cause damage, injury, and possible fatalities. Near total loss of power supply and telecommunications due to numerous downed power lines, poles, and cellular towers. Diminished availability of potable water supply is also likely. Significant to severe disruption to public transportation. Significant damage to bananas and similar plants. Most small trees and some large trees will be broken, defoliated, or uprooted. Almost total damage to rice and other crops. Signal number 5. Wind threat and warning lead time 185 km per hour or higher, 12 hours. Potential impacts severe to catastrophic damage is expected to houses of poor or average construction, makeshift or old, dilapidated structures, and other structures made of light materials. Well-constructed houses may suffer substantial roof and wall failure or damage. Many industrial buildings will be destroyed, with only a few receiving partial roof and wall damage. Most windows will be blown out of high-rise office buildings. Moderate structural damage is possible due to swaying. Extensive damage will be caused by airborne debris. People, pets, and livestock exposed to the wind are at the great risk of injury or death. Electricity, potable water supply, and telecommunication will be unavailable for prolonged periods due to significant disruption in infrastructure. Prolonged significant to severe disruption to public transportation. Most of the trees will be broken, defoliated, or unrooted. Bananas and similar plants will be extensively damaged. Few trees, plants, and crops will survive. Differentiate each storm signal by filling in the table below. Column 1, tropical cyclone wind signal. Column 2, impacts to plants and trees. Column 3, impacts to houses and buildings. Column 4, impacts to water and electric supply. Column 5, supply impacts to transportation. Signal number 1. Signal number 2. Signal number 3. Signal number 4. And signal number 5. Memorize the details shown in the image below. Automatic class suspensions and cancellations. Classes in the affected area shall be automatically canceled or suspended once the Pag-asa raised the following storm signals. Signal number 1, public and private preschool and kinder. Signal number 2, public and private preschool, kindergarten, elementary, and high school, including senior high school. Signal number 3, classes in all levels. What do you think should you do when a storm signal warning is raised in your area? Column 1, tropical cyclone wind signal. Column 2, what should you do? Column 3, what should you not do? Signal number 1, listen to news and prepare emergency items. Do not ignore weather updates. Signal number 2, stay indoors and secure loose objects. Do not go outside unless needed. Signal number 3, stay inside and keep emergency kit ready. Do not travel or play outside. Signal number 4, evacuate if told and stay in a safe place. Do not go near trees or power lines. Signal number 5, stay in an evacuation center and stay alert. Do not go outside or take risks. Things to do with each storm signal. You will be grouped into 5 and will be assigned a storm signal for each group. Prepare a short skit in which you will both show what happens during a storm with the corresponding storm signal. You must also think and present what actions should be taken before, during, and after the storm. To assist you in organizing your thoughts, fill out the table below. First column, impacts of storm. Second column, before. Third column, during. Fourth column, after. People, prepare emergency kit. Stay indoors and stay calm. Help clean and check family. House or buildings, secure windows and roof. Stay inside safe areas. Repair damaged parts. Plants or trees, trim weak branches. Trees may fall. Clean fallen branches. Electricity or water, store water, charge devices. Power may go out. Report damaged lines. Transportation, avoid travel if possible. Roads may be flooded. Travel only when safe. Subtopic number 2, events before, during, and after a storm. Day 3. Before a storm, poem analysis. Calm before a storm. Tranquility, calm before a storm. Weather turns, wrong word out of place. Emotions stirred, dark clouds burst. Thunder crashes, lightning flashes, once, then gone. Anger spent, till once again there is calm. Questions. What is your understanding of the poem? Answer. The poem shows that before a storm, everything is calm, then strong emotions like anger calm. But after the storm, everything becomes calm again. What words or phrases you cannot completely grasp from the poem? Tranquility, stirred, burst, crushes, flashes, and anger spent. Let's unlock the words. Tranquility, quiet and peaceful. Stirred, moved or awakened. Burst, suddenly break open. Crashes, loud hitting sound. Flashes, quick bright light. Anger spent, anger is used up or gone. Write a summary of what you understood in the poem. Example answer: the poem is about calm, then strong emotions like a storm, and finally peace again. It shows that problems and anger do not last forever. Watch the video below. Now, let's answer this table about the video. First column, time. Second column, actions to take. Third column, why. And fourth column, events in the environment. Before, prepare emergency kit. Listen to weather news. To be ready and stay safe. Dark clouds form, wind starts. During, stay indoors, avoid floods and strong winds. To avoid accidents and injuries. Heavy rain, strong winds, flooding. After, check surroundings, help clean, be careful. To stay safe from dangers. Fallen trees, damaged houses, calm weather. Day 4. Illustrating events before, during, and after a storm. Illustrate what are the events in the environment before, during, and after a storm. You can use bond paper or intermediate paper. Have it in landscape orientation and fold it into 3 columns. Here's an example. Before storm, during storm, and after storm. Learners' takeaways. Create a haiku that describes events before, during, and after a storm. What is special about haiku? Haiku poems always have only 3 lines. Each line has a pattern to it. The pattern goes like this. The first line has 5 syllables. The second line has 7 syllables. The third line has 5 syllables. Do you remember the meaning of a syllable? Here are example answers. First, the wind spirals down, whipping up everything. I am calm with fear. Dark gray clouds hovering. As distant thunder rumbles, a storm is brewing. Dark clouds fill the sky. Strong winds and rain loudly crash. Sun shines, calm returns. Reflection on learning. Inside the classroom, list the things you learned about storms. Example, storm signal, safety actions before, during, and after storm. Share these learnings with your family when you get home. After sharing, make another list of the important things your family should do to prepare for possible storms in the future. Write your answers neatly in your notebook. Guide questions. What did I learn about storms and safety? Example answer. There are storm signals that tell us how strong a storm is. What important safety tips should my family remember? Listen to news and weather updates. What preparation should we do before a storm comes? Charge phones and prepare first aid kits. Formative assessment, matching type, multiple columns. Match the TZWS to its wind strength and potential impacts.
Maraming salamat sa panonood!
Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!